G'day guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today's DIY is for Sophie, my 13-month-old daughter, doing edible cloud dough. So I had looked at some cloud dough recipes, but they weren't safe. They use baby oil, and Sophie is still putting everything in her mouth. So I wanted to make it non-toxic, baby safe, and I'm so glad I did, because the first thing she did when I gave it to her was put it straight in her mouth. So let's get into the video.
The only two ingredients you'll need is plain flour and olive oil. I also purchased this under the bed storage container. I'm planning on doing heaps of sensory activities with Sophie, so if you want to see those, please subscribe. I decided to make some plain cloud dough as well as some coloured cloud dough. So first off, I poured 4 cups of plain flour down this end of the bin, and then with my fist I made a well that I'll pour the oil into. I repeated the same down the other end, and then I added in half a cup of oil down each end. Then using my hands, I mixed the oil and the flour together until it was well mixed in and there was no oil around. I failed trying to make coloured cloud dough. I used this food colour gel and tried to mix it in with the oil, which it didn't. So then I used some just liquid food colouring straight into the flour. That didn't work. And I even used this expensive food colouring that I used for Sophie's birthday cake, and it still didn't work. Like, yes, you can see it's slightly pinker than the other side, but it's certainly not bright and vibrant like I was hoping for. The worst bit about trying all the different food colouring was when I did wash my hands were stained for a couple of days, which if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen how bright they were. Sophie and I have done lots of different activities with the cloud dough. It's been really versatile. She sat in the bin and played with the cloud dough between her toes. She's tried to push the animals. We created a little farmyard in there with fences. We've played hide and seek with the cow, which Sophie wasn't ready for just yet, to dig the cloud dough away to pull the cow out, but she was very attentive while I was covering the cow with cloud dough. It's certainly a very different texture, and it's really soft and fluffy. Sophie, I think, prefers water, so she'll put her hands in water and happily play with that. When Sophie's touching the cloud dough with her hands, it feels very different and she's very unsure of it. So I suppose that makes a fantastic sensory activity. We also use something she normally plays with, like my hairbrush, to put that in and out of the sensory bin with the cloud dough. It was just wonderful watching her explore. We've had it probably for about 4 days now, and each day we'll go back and have a little play with it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. If you like this video, you might also like my quiet blocks, which are made from pool noodles. They're great for stacking. They're also great for going in the bath. I'll leave the video here for you. Alrighty, take care. Subscribe if you're not. I'll see you next time. Bye.